Hello everyone, welcome to another day of survival month series. What have I got today? I've got 22 cleans, 10 of them in the village which is that way above me, Sutton St Edmunds, and then once we've done that we're going to come past home, go to the next village down that way, and we've got another 12 cleans there. For me and Matthew that is a total of over £400, 413. No skips today, so that's good. It is cold, it's going to feel like -2. It's not as blue skies at the moment as what it was yesterday, but at least it's dry and workable, and we've started a bit late. I think it's just because I'm getting absolutely knackered. It's hard, isn't it, doing all the admin? I was just trying to say to Matthew, there's so much while you're working you can't do stuff. When you come back, the admin just builds up, so if you don't keep on top of it, it runs away from you. And we've got a few things that need sorting out. But there we go, it'll be another evening. So will we do it? Find out. Right, it's 12. It's a 6-minute drive back to home from Sutton St Edmunds, where we've been today. We've done 10 cleans, 200 and I think it was 14, sorry, £215. So what I'm left with now is, when we've had a lunch, I'm just going to rebomb up the van if needed. It will leave us with 12 cleans and £195 in a village, which is about 5-6 minute drive to get to. And then that should be us. So far it's all going well. It's just cold. Matthew's saying it's down on the weather feels like -3, and it does feel like that, even though it's supposed to be 5 degrees. So still workable, that's good. So will we do it? Let's see how this afternoon goes. Hi everyone, that's us done. 7 hours working day in total. We took over an hour for lunch, so that's not bad. £410 for 2 of us, 22 cleans, all done. Half of them have paid me straight away as well. Tomorrow, Teresa's got us sorted out for a gutter day, although we've got, I can't remember exactly, but I think it's 3 or 4 3 catch-up cleans, and then the other 4, they're all going to be gutter clears and fascia soffits and gutters. So we've got them booked in. I know it's going to be starting to get a bit windy, I think, tomorrow. Friday, I don't think, according to the weather, we're going to be working because we've got winds up to 44 miles an hour. And on Monday, I've got some more gutter clears going, and I've got a job where we're doing fascia soffits and gutters as well, and cleaning up a load of cladding, which are really dirty. So I'm looking forward to using the Synergy Pro Clean on that. I'm doing a canopy roof that's really green, so we use it on there too as well. Anyway, that's me done. Matthew's now going to fill up. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, all the good stuff, and there'll be a video wherever it comes up that YouTube puts it for the next one. Thanks a lot. Be safe. Have a good one. See you later.